said, son, you must be happy he's dead, eh? So I was there. Well, for me, I was grieving the loss of a significant relationship that I did not have. Are you with me so far, church? Not that I had, I did not have. And I was there looking at the casket in the board, and I was saying, I wished that we had made things right before he passed away. Now, when he told me that, all I said, nothing. And I kept looking. In my head, I am just thinking of the could be, the what if, and the should be. So now, as we talk about that, I want you to understand, my friends, that if you are going through your own grief as a result of either a relationship that you have lost or a relationship that never existed but lost, you're experiencing something that is unique to you. No one else should take that away from you. And no one else should tell you how you should grieve and how long you should grieve.